All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. USD card was the last pair analyzed. GBP card. Okay, GBP card sold aggressively last week. Aggressively. All right, so this week I'm looking to continue selling this market. We are having the weekly bearish coming down to the weekly. The weekly is bearish. All right, I've been waiting for this sell for a very long time. Waiting to sell GBP card from this zone. I was waiting to sell GBP card from this zone. But it just didn't give me that entry, just didn't set up well. But now it's at this zone and I like it. Whenever we are above this zone, retest as support, retest support, beautiful rejection as at the zone, rejection. Now we are below this zone on the weekly. So breakout, retest to push to the downside. Weekly we are bearish. On the daily we are also bearish. This has been our lower low, this has been our lower high on the daily, and we are at a very clean support and resistance zone. Whenever we are above as a support, whenever we are above support, you can see it's very clean support and resistance zone, support as a zone, and whenever we are below, using it as a as a resistance. So coming down to the 4 hour on GBP card, 4 hour we are at 4 hour is also bearish. This has been our lower low on the 4 hour, this has been our lower high. So what I'm waiting for this on this market right now is for this market to open, pull all the way to the zone, breakout as at the retest, going for my entry. You all know the drill. You do my entry from candlestick formation. EURAUD, another interesting market. So this market last week as at the zone. All right, so I'm looking to sell this market again, same zone. The market is literally as at the same zone. We are having the weekly bearish, the daily bearish, but 4 hour is bullish. And the weekly have these beautiful rejections as at the zone. So I'm not ignorant of the fact that this market can buy from the zone. There's a high chance of this market buying from the zone. We're at a very clean support and resistance zone. Whenever we're above, retest, buy to the upside. Whenever we're above, and whenever we are below as a resistance. So we are looking to use this zone as a resistance. Coming down to the daily is also bearish. This is lower low on the daily, and this is the lower high on the daily. Okay, let's see this. Lower low, lower high as at the zone. So this market I'm waiting for it to break out, retest for me to sell. The 4 hour on the other hand is bullish. 4 hour is higher high and this is higher low. So once I have this breakout, I'll have a shift instruction on the 4 hour, and as at that shift instruction, as at the retest, I'll be going in for a sell on EURAUD. Okay, EURAUD, you see we have just been killing this market. We have had one loss, 1, 2, 3 consecutive wins. Okay, gold, last but not the least. I think gold is the last. Yeah, gold is the last trade for the week. Last but not the least, gold we are looking to sell. I tried buying gold as at this zone last week, kicked me out. Okay, I sold gold, same zone I sold gold. I tried buying from there as well. So this week I'm looking to sell gold. On gold we are having the weekly bearish, the daily bearish, the 4 hour bearish, 3 time frame is bearish. All right, coming down to the weekly, this is our lower low, this is our lower high. So what I'm anticipating for gold this week is for the weekly to give us a new low. Okay, to fill, hopefully to fill this week, okay, we are looking for weekly to give us a new low. You can see whenever we are below, retest, push to the downside, and break above, retest with this week rejected to the upside. Now this market has given us a bearish engulf on the weekly. Coming down to the daily, on the daily we are also bearish. This being our lower low, this being our lower high on the daily. So on the daily I'm waiting for this market to break out of this zone, because whenever we retest, we buy to the upside. Whenever we break below, retest, push to the downside. Whenever we are above, retest to the upside. Whenever we are below, retest, push to the downside as a resistance. So coming down to the 4 hour, 4 hour is also bearish. So what I'm waiting for right now is for this market to pull all the way to the zone, breakout as at the retest. I'll be going in for a sell for gold. So that's pretty much it for this week. This market has just been analyzed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are my top 6 pairs for this week that I'll be watching and I'll be trading this week. So, and if you want to trade live for me and my team, myself and my team will usually trade live. You can join there will be a description of the Telegram group. Okay, so click the links, join the group. Let's make some money together this week. So that's pretty much it for this week. Stay tuned. Stay blessed. I'm wishing you a beautiful week and a peaceful week. Let's get it this week. Peace out for now. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button. Also, click the like button. Share this video with people with traders out here. All right, and also leave a comment if you want me to break down the pair for you. You can leave a comment of the pair, and I will do that for you. Peace out for now. Enjoy the rest of your week. Stay blessed.